welcome back to another Julie's Life vlog. A whole how you say it? Like two videos, two separate vlogs together, just because the last time I did not finish the vlog and I just wanted to just post that. Today is currently Tuesday and it's currently about to be 7, sorry. It's about to be 7 and my son didn't sleep with us last night. He actually left. We were at my in-laws' house, and he didn't want to come with us, so he stayed over. And plus, Tuesdays are the days that his aunt is off from work, so he stayed with her. So yeah, so it's already 7. I haven't seen him. I miss him. She's been sending me pictures. Right now they're at the laundry. After she's done with the laundry, she's gonna come bring him back home. And I have a surprise for him because I miss him so much, and I'm going to start playing more with him, because it's kind of hard to balance 2 kids at the same time, because the baby needs attention and my son, a toddler, needs attention as well. So it's kind of hard to try to balance both of them out. I try my best, and I know it's not the same. I know he wants my full attention, because he sometimes gets sad when I have to stop what I'm doing with him to go check or go take care of his sister. So it's very, very hard, and it really breaks my heart to see that, you know, it's not the same anymore. Because not only do I have one kid, I have another kid. So I wanted to make a little special thing for him. So I went to Family Dollar and bought a couple of items that I know he's going to love. And I want to get more things that he can actually color, like coloring books, learning stuff, besides the board that I made for him here. And that's the letter of the week, which we are way behind. I always say this in every video, but trust me, the numbers, he knows them in English and Spanish. His alphabet, like I said, we haven't done that much. We are mostly just coloring, just because he loves to color. But I'm gonna show you guys all of this stuff. So he loves Play-Doh. Thanks to my best friend, Jasenia, if you're watching this, girl, thank you, because now he loves Play-Doh. And the other one, he completely destroyed it, so I had to throw it out. But I got him this 5-set Play-Doh. So they have white, red, like a turquoise blue type of color, yellow, and dark blue. They had other colors, but I actually like this one. So this one, I got him this one. This was $3. Then I got him this cute little book, which is obviously $1 right there. You can see it. And it's so cute. And it basically is cute, but then again, also he gets to learn, numbers and stuff like that. And he does love Elmo as well. So I thought this was perfect. So cute. This is a way that they can learn numbers, and also well, he already knows his numbers, but what I'm referring to is counting them by himself, So I thought this was cute, and it was only $1. Then I thought my daughter was crying. Sorry, guys. And I also got this poster board paper, and it brings 5 sheets, so he can color with his crayons and markers. And I also got him paint, so that's the reason why I got this. But yeah, this is $140. I got him the Wreck-It Ralph Jumbo Coloring and Activity Book, which he is going to be so freaking happy, because he is in love with Wreck-It Ralph. So this was $1. And yeah, so they have a lot of things, activity as well, not just coloring, which I think is so freaking cute and so smart. So yeah, got him that. I also got him a puzzle, which is only $1 as well. This is how it's supposed to turn out. And he loves Paw Patrol as well. So he's into Wreck-It Ralph, Cookie Monster, Elmo, Paw Patrol, the Avengers, all that stuff he just loves. He doesn't have a favorite. So I got him this cute little puzzle. It's only 24 pieces, which is so fun. And then I got him stickers. These were $1 as well. They come with 4 sheets, and in total is 96 stickers. So these are so cute, because he loves stickers. And this is a paint that I was talking about. So yeah, I have other brushes, which is why I didn't even bother buying brushes, because we already have brushes here. And yeah, this is so cute. And then I got him, you know, safe scissors for him, because he's always wants to cut something. So I'm gonna teach him, but I'm gonna be very, very, very careful with him, and I'm gonna keep this away from him, somewhere where he cannot reach. But even though these are safe, but still, I'm scared. So yeah, so I got him this, which is $1 as well, and then I got him this little how do I say this, pencil holder bin, whatever. It was only $1. And then inside this stuff he already had. I just put it in here because, you know, this is for him now. So whenever he wants to color, he can just grab it and open it, and, you know, his colors are there. So he has his Crayola markers, the twistables. I used to love these, and when I found these, I was so hyped that I was like, I gotta get him those. And then I got him his crayons. And then he has also color pencils right there. And yeah, and then I also got him these, which he already had these, but I'm gonna lay them out because I want him to like look at them, and I want him to play with them. So these are basically learning his shapes and colors. So we got, you know, the yellow rhombus, we got the black rectangle, you know, like stuff like this. I love, it's so cute. Come on, close. What the hell? Why is it not closing? Hold up, guys, give me 1 second. All right, whatever. Anyways, yeah, so this is all I got my baby, because I missed him so much, and I haven't been like on him like before. So yeah, so we're definitely gonna color today. I'm so excited to see I have a tongue twister. I'm so excited to see his reaction, which I will be filming. And yeah, I know he's gonna be super happy. That is what I got my little baby. I also kind of cleaned out the closet, kind of, not really, but that is how it's looking right now. Better than before. So yeah, so yeah, guys, right now I'm cooking. So let me go check on that, because se me va a quemar el arroz. Alright, so I have the rice here. I don't know if you guys can see. I have the rice here, it's cooking. Beans right here. And the ribs that I'm doing right here. So I'm doing pork ribs and salsa verde. The rice, and then the beans, and then my son's going to eat cecina with rice and beans. That's what he's gonna eat. And then what we're gonna eat is, you know, the spicy stuff. So yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. I will talk to you guys, and I will, you know, update you guys on what his reaction is after this. So what's that? What's that? You got Play-Doh.
Wow. A lot of toys. ¿De quién son? ¿De quién son? Para la Leila.
It's cold outside.
It's getting cold right now, but not yet.
I'm going to build this. Oh my god, my boobs. We're going to build this Paw Patrol puzzle. Come, just show them. Alright. Yeah, you got Play-Doh. Alright, so this goes here. Okay, so we got a Paw Patrol. I don't know where that goes, but somewhere in there. Let's see. Oh look. This goes here and this goes here. You see?
I see.
He's playing with his Play-Doh right now. I'm trying to build this for him, so Meantime that the food is still cooking. Yeah, you made a cake. Wow. Okay, so we have that one. And this goes here. Alright, give me a second, okay? Hold up. I'm trying to do this, Papa. Wait, baby, wait. Okay. And this goes here.
Okay.
Let's see. This goes here. Good job. You know. This one, I'm not sure. I think it goes. Oh, look. Perfect. I think this goes here. Just leave it here for now.
Okay.
And then we gotta figure out this somehow. Oh, perfect. Okay.
Okay.
Perfect. Oh, careful. Uh-oh, I think we're missing a piece, baby. Yeah, we're missing a piece. Did you grab a piece? Sorry.
See?
Are you serious? We're missing a piece, look. Where'd it go?
What?
No more? Oh, it's right here. You had it. There you go. Look, nice. Careful, careful. I like it. It's nice. Nice. Papi, that doesn't go there. Tortillas are done. These are done. Rice is done. We are good to go. All for this vlog. I'm just basically gonna eat, and then I want to just basically spend the rest of the night with my son. We're gonna color and stuff like that. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time on my other vlog. On a new vlog. Bye.